Hey guys, this is Sophie back with another storm chasing video. So today we have April 4th, 2023. We had a double barrel moderate risk in place for areas of southeast Iowa, and then over in Missouri, mainly nighttime threats. However, there was a lot of morning convection there in the moderate risk area, and we all started thinking it was going to be more to the west of that, near Des Moines, where it would mainly have a risk area. So around 1 p.m., me and the storm chasing group I was with, we all left for around near Des Moines, and we were just going to sit in a field and watch the storms blow up. First, the storms were kind of clustered together, going very multicellular, but then they started to get some upper level rotation with them as well. It was becoming something to watch. But in the short-term threat, they were more of hailers. Like, these storms were producing some big hail. However, one storm was able to become isolated enough and started developing a hook on it. We were watching from a distance. It was hard to tell as we were positioned on the northeast side of the storm, and this storm was recording 3-inch hail with it. So we decided to race west, then race south to try to see if we could see any rotation. Footage you are about to see starts off as the supercell before we decided to race west and south. And then the next clip is going to be the tornado touching down after that. I just wanted to highlight how absolutely stunning this supercell was. Doing that. So I'm just doing donuts. Big, but
oh, it's gonna be big.
It is. I mean, it is a big base to it. Still picking up debris. I was like, wait a second. I'm seeing debris getting on the ground. I was like, oh, that's our gator. It's trying real hard. It just touched down too when we saw it. Yeah! I was not thinking because it was just a line of severe thunderstorms too. I was not expecting a tornado, but I mean that velocity over that real tight there. Oh, it's really the main condensation funnel is really trying to reach down there now. Yeah! I mean,
Coming down all the way, baby.
got it to This is a series of images that you could see the tornado continues to cross the highway and then dissipates. I thought the dissipation and roping out stage was pretty cool. This is a pretty wall cloud at night. I thought this wall cloud was absolutely gorgeous. Unfortunately, it didn't really produce anything that we could see, but there was a report of a tornado on the ground. It was just really difficult with sunset to see if we could see anything.